What is going on, beautiful folks? Welcome to another episode of Mornings with Lee Hammock, your favorite self-aware narcissist. Today, we're going to be talking about how long does it take for a narcissist to show their true colors? How long does it take, y'all? How long till you know that this is a toxic, narcissistic bastard that you're dealing with? When will they show their true colors? So before we hop into today's episode, y'all, make sure if you haven't already, check out my courses, check out my support group right here. Courses.mentalhealness.net. Check us out over there. We have more things to come, more courses, more things to come as well. But yes, y'all. How long? How long to what time can you put a time limit? Lee, help us, please. Goodness gracious, can you just give us a time limit on when they will show their true colors? So there's been studies. I seen this study a few years ago, y'all, where it says it takes a person about 90 days to show you their true colors. It takes a person about 90 days to show you what their real intent is, to show you some of who they really are. And I tell people, take your time. When will they show you their true colors? When will they show you their true self? When you bring it out of them, when you challenge them, when you say no to them, when you make them feel rejected sometimes. Now, I'm not talking about saying, hell no, bastard. I'm just saying like, hey, that makes me uncomfortable. Hey, I really don't want to do that. No, that's not my cup of tea. Sounds fun, but that's not my cup of tea. No, I don't really like when you do that. I don't really like when you say that. When you said that, boundaries. Hit the high note for y'all, the boundaries. I cannot sing. But yes, boundaries, y'all. When you start setting your boundaries, it helps you out them faster because it takes 90 days on average. I'm going to say average. It takes 90 days on average for someone to show you who they really are, for someone to show you their real intent. Average of 90 days. So it could be more, could be less. Had a conversation. Y'all know I'll get a lot of my ideas from my morning Zooms. Had a morning conversation with this woman. She's like, yeah, 2 months in, he showed the true colors. But the relationship ended up lasting, 18 months. She said 18 months, 2 years. It ended up lasting for almost 2 years. And she said, I should have left 2 months in when he yelled at me, when he screamed at me. What if he did? He showed his true color. He yelled, screamed, whatever. Started outing himself about a lie he told in the beginning. Said something. When they show you who they really are, Maya Angelou said that when people show you who they really are, believe them. Why don't you believe them? Y'all gotta start believing them when they yell at you a weekend. When they snap on you 2 weeks in, when they start showing you that they're actually jealous of your coworkers. Hey, I don't like the fact that you work with a lot of guys. What the hell? What? I don't like that your best friend is a dude or a girl, whatever it is. When they start trying to isolate you and when they come into your life, start trying to change your life, you got to be willing to dip out. You got to be willing to say no. You got to be willing to just set a boundary and stick to said boundary. You have to be willing to do that. If you're not willing to do that, you're going to lose a lot of battles to narcissistic people. I will say that right there. So it takes as long as it takes, y'all. It could take longer than 90 days. I said 90 days on average. It could take longer than 90 days on average. So if you're on a first date with somebody, right? Let's say if you're on a first date with somebody and they show you their true colors and you say no, that's great. The first date, you out of it. So there's 1 day. It took you 1 day. But 90 days is an average. So it could take somebody else 179 days. The next person, it takes 6 months. Like, think about it. The next person, it could take 6 months. Like, if it take you 1 day, it could take somebody else 179 days. 179 plus 1 is 180. Divided by 2 is still an average of 90. So it could take somebody else 6 months. It could take somebody else a year. Like, it's an average. As the more people you average, the more the numbers can go up and still go the same thing. You know what I mean? It takes as long as it takes. Like, you can make it happen faster if you say no, if you set a boundary. If you say, if you like make them feel unwanted sometimes. Like I tell this to people all the time. You will learn a lot more saying no to someone than you will saying yes to everybody. Narcissistic people love yes men. They love yes women. They love people that will say, they love people that will say yes to them. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 1,000 times. Yes. They love that type of person. They don't like people who challenge them. If you challenge them and make them feel uncomfortable, they tend to show you who they really are. But when they show you who they really are, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 25, day 170, you have to be willing to stand on business and end it if that's what if you so choose. Like once they show you a flash, they give you flashes sometimes. They show you most of who they are. They give you flashes. If you see them, like if they cuss a waiter out or a waitress out and leave $1 tip for somebody that was good to them, or somebody, oh, that person looked at you the wrong way, so I'm gonna leave them a tip. All right, I'm gonna leave them a tip on the sheet that says, "Don't look at my girlfriend, you bastard. Don't look at watch where your eyes go. Keep your eye, talk to the man next time. I hate this guy." Yeah, I'm telling you, when they start doing this type of stuff, what are you telling yourself? Like when they start showing you their true colors, you have to be willing to just be like, okay, hell no, I'm done. If you're not willing to be done, it doesn't matter when they show their true colors. They can show you can see their true colors online. You're like, damn, this person is an asshole. This person is this is a horrible human being. But they got money. I like them. They funny. Whatever it is, they got a nice set of cheeks on them. Body is tea. Ain't that what the kids say these days? The body is tea. Teen. Hourglass. Ooh, I like hourglasses. I can shake an hourglass up. Ooh, yes. But that's how it goes, though, y'all. So you have to be willing to walk away. You have to be willing to say no. You have to be willing to stand on business and to stand, not just stand on business, stand on boundaries. Boundaries are business. Stand on boundaries. Be willing to set a boundary and stand on it. Because if your boundaries are like Swiss cheese or butter or margarine, you're going to get ran over top of. That narcissist or toxic person is going to run over top of your ass. And they're going to enjoy it. They're going to seize that moment. They're going to seize the moment. And they're going to try to ruin your damn life. So 1 month in, 2 months in, wherever, they're going to, when they show their true colors, you have to be willing to out them. Like, so I do, like I said, I showed this earlier, y'all, courses.mentalhealness.net. I have a course called Understanding the 7 Stages of a Narcissistic Relationship, right? Where I go into detail on when they stop love bombing you, why they pick you, why they choose you, why they discard you, why they will come back to you. You understand all the 7 stages of a narcissistic relationship, and possibly join a support group right here at this link, courses.mentalhealness.net. But yes, the course I go into greater detail into how you can get them, how you can out them. Like I'm telling you, boundary. Yeah, I'm just telling you, a damn boundary is such a powerful thing. If you have problems setting boundaries, you might want to take a break from dating. If you're just trying to get into the dating world and you have problems setting boundaries, you might want to take a break from dating. You might want to. You absolutely might want to take a break, because you're going to find a narcissistic person that is out here actively hunting for people who don't set boundaries, and they're going to try to ruin your life. You know what I'm saying? They're going to try to ruin your damn life. They're going to try to do a lot of damage to you, a lot of harm to you, and they're going to try to hurt you and do things to you. So I tell people in these spaces, in these situations, that you have to prepare for this. Like, it's on you. It falls onto you. Like 1 month in, 2 months in, 3 months in, 4 months in, 5 months in, to not over dedicate yourself to this person. Because if you do, that's when this type of stuff will start to happen. If you do, that's when like I say, if you let them run on top of you, they'll just keep doing it over and over again. I promise you, you are in a position of power. You have to seize that power, because when they show themselves, you have to be willing to walk away. It doesn't matter if the timetable is irrelevant if you're not willing to walk away or hold a boundary or to hold them accountable. If they're lying, if they tell you a lie a week into it, if they tell you a lie on the first date, right, and you find out 3 months into the relationship that it was a lie, and they've been telling more lies, you have to be willing to leave this person alone. Because narcissistic people, they feel like, well, if I can lie to you right now, if I can lie to you, then if I can lie to you now, then I can lie to you later. Why would I stop lying to you? Lying works. Lying serves me. Why would I stop lying? Lying is now a part of our relationship. You told me, you set a precedence that I can lie to you and I can get away with it. That's how they think. That's how a lot of narcissists think. Not every single narcissist thinks the same way, but a lot of narcissists do. They think the same type of thing. They will continue to do this type of stuff to you. They will continue to run over top of you. They will continue to try to ruin your damn life because they feel like it's okay. When they show you their true colors, you have to be willing and able to stand on your boundaries, to stand on business, to stand on your strength, to stand on your power. Because once the love bombing stops, you can make it stop. I'm telling you, once a narcissist sees your flaws, they stop love bombing you, and they will absolutely start showing you their true colors, start devaluing you. The love bombing stage has no set timetable. There's no set time on when a narcissist will show you their true colors and stop love bombing you and start treating you like they think they should be treating you. When they start devaluing you, there's no set time on it. But when they like I said, when they do start setting those boundaries, or when they do show you their true colors, you have to be willing to dip out. Because if you're not, I'm just telling you, if you're not willing to dip out, they're going to ruin your damn life. That's part of what happens, y'all. This is part of what happens. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into another episode, Mornings with Lee Hammond. If y'all like this series, y'all just drop a sunshine symbol in the comment section. And September 14th, 2024, our first in-person workshop is happening in Washington, D.C. The link will be pinned to the comment section in the top of the description. It's limited seating, Washington, D.C., September 14th, 2024, in-person live workshop, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning into another episode. And as always, y'all, Mental Healness is out. Peace. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I am extremely grateful for you. Have no idea. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Helps reach more people. And click on the screen to watch another video or to browse through another playlist. There's also a link on the screen to check out my courses and my support groups to help you heal and understand what you've been through. Thank you so much again. I will see you in the next video.